A simple messaging app is now helping save heart attack patients in rural India. WhatsApp. And doctors in Punjab are using it as part of an emergency healthcare system designed to deliver faster life-saving treatment. The initiative is called Mission Amrit. And naturally, people across the country are now asking, can a messaging app actually help save lives? The answer appears to be yes. Here's how the system works. When a patient in a rural area experiences symptoms of a severe heart attack, local healthcare workers quickly perform an ECG test. Instead of waiting for long hospital transfers, the ECG report is immediately shared with specialist doctors through WhatsApp. Then, cardiac experts guide emergency treatment remotely, even before the patient reaches a major hospital. Why is this so important? Because during a heart attack, time becomes critical. Doctors often repeat one important phrase: time is muscle. The longer treatment gets delayed, the greater the damage to the heart. And in many rural areas, patients may live far away from advanced cardiac care centers. That means transport delays can become deadly. Mission Amrit attempts to solve that problem using fast digital communication and coordinated emergency response. The system also uses an important clot-busting medicine called tenecteplase. This drug helps restore blood flow quickly during certain types of heart attacks. And experts say faster diagnosis combined with early treatment can significantly improve survival chances. And if you enjoy powerful healthcare explainers and inspiring current affairs stories like this, your one like, one share, and one subscribe genuinely motivates us to continue creating premium quality informative videos every single day. What makes this healthcare model especially fascinating is its simplicity. No futuristic robots, no expensive AI hospitals. Just smart coordination, digital communication, and faster medical decision making. Experts describe the system as a hub-and-spoke healthcare model. Local rural centers connect with specialist hospitals through digital networks, allowing doctors to guide treatment remotely in real time. And this could become extremely important for India, because millions of people still live far from advanced healthcare infrastructure. That means technology can help bridge the gap between rural patients and urban medical expertise. The larger reality is becoming increasingly clear. Digital technology is no longer changing only business and entertainment. It is transforming healthcare itself. And sometimes, a simple smartphone connection can become the difference between life and death. Because in emergency medicine, speed saves lives. And now, even a messaging app is becoming part of that fight. Stay informed, stay healthy, and follow for more powerful current affairs breakdowns every day.